at the lips of your broken heart. Do you want me to take you out and show you what my love can do? Do you want to go to heaven with my
Here, bring the camera, take a picture. Oh my god.
What is he saying?
So stoned, you guys. Where did it go, Casey?
What did you see?
I said I saw like a dinosaur. You know, with the tree, whatever.
Oh yeah.
What was his name? Did he tell you his name?
Next.
I thought, you know what I thought Casey saw? Like a lizard right there.
Right? And you just look at
the lizard.
I see a dinosaur with my binoculars. Yeah.
He's coming over here.
Hey, go look. Stop being a lazy bug.
Where? Guy. Where?
Right here.
Where?
Bring, I'll take a picture.
Wait, I'm recording it in case it moves.
No, bring over here. Let's show you where it is.
Where?
Like right here. No, you gotta.
Zoom in.
No, Trey, look at the tree.
Okay, look at which one?
This one right here in the front.
Okay.
Where you see the light.
Okay.
It has like the eye and get the mouth that way. Then the neck is turned. You don't see it.
Oh yeah.
You lie. You cannot see
No,
it
it
from
looks
this.
like it, but it doesn't mean that it is.
Mary, it is a freaking dinosaur.
Zoom in, zoom in.
How do you zoom?
Here, the little tab right there.
I think that's the
Excuse me.
Right here. Now you see it. Right here is the dinosaur. Look at the light, and you see the mouth, and then the body is all the way around.
What is her name?
Shiraz, I got you on camera.
What is your name?
Right here, do you see it? That's the eye on the top and the mouth, and you see. Oh, what happened?
I have my makeup.
He's coming, Casey. You gotta greet him.